It is day 16 of Preptober, where we are plotting a book in 31 days, and today we make a map. We're finally making a map. I love maps. You don't have to love maps, but you might have to make one. What kind of map you need will depend entirely on your story. I don't know how many times I've said that. I'm gonna say it again. The full world, it might not be necessary. The full continent, maybe not. Full country, perhaps. Or maybe you just need a map of the character's village, or of the school they go to. Make a map, detailed or not, of the areas that are featured in the story. And you don't have to go into making it super realistic and figure out the currents and climates and all of that if you don't want to. The map only has to be the bare minimum of how far is this town from this lake, or this room and this room are connected through this corridor, or whatever it is you need to remain consistent about things in your story. So at the end of the day, what you will have is a map or more maps, depending on how many different areas are featured in your story. And they don't have to be super detailed, and they can and perhaps even should be made in pencil or in some other way be possible to edit, because as your story develops you might want to move things around a little bit.